Hey folks, is your towel bar hanging on for dear life? You tighten it, and a week later, it's loose again. Today, I'll show you a fast, foolproof way to fix it. No studs, no stress, just solid results that last. Hey folks, welcome back to the AG Squared channel, where I'm all about DIY, do-it-yourself repairs, maintenance, and renovation projects that save you time and money. Let's get this project underway. Here we have our shower towel holder, and as you can see, it's completely loose. To remove it, just lift it up and slide it off. Now, here's why it's so wobbly. These screws are barely holding on. They're not anchored into anything solid, and the drywall is starting to break off. We'll start by removing all of the screws by hand. They come out very easily. Once removed, I'll use these EZ Ancor drywall anchors. They're rated to hold up to 40 pounds, more than enough for a towel bar. I'll set my drill torque to about a level 10 setting and screw the anchors directly into the wall. It might roughen up the wall a bit, but don't worry. All of that will be hidden behind the bracket. Next, I'll reattach the mounting bracket. Most of these will have an indication to show which side should face up. Line it up on the anchors, then screw it in securely. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Once both brackets are in place, take the ends of the towel bar and slide them onto the mounts. You'll see a small opening that fits right over that bracket. Slide one side in, then do the other. You might need to adjust slightly to get the rod to fit, and that's it. Now it's on there rock solid. No more wobbling. As a bonus, let's fix this toilet paper holder as well, as it was also falling apart. I decided to move one side slightly higher than where it was originally, which meant removing the left bracket as well and drilling new holes. Since this holder is very lightweight, I'm just using drywall screws. No anchors needed for this. I placed the new holes close to the original ones so the old damage stays hidden. Then I reattached the brackets just like we did with the towel bar. Slide the holder in place and done. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a like and share it with others. And consider subscribing to my channel to not miss out on any nuggets of wisdom when it comes to DIY repairs, maintenance, and renovation projects, as well as about content related to home ownership. As always, folks, thank you so much for watching, and till next time.